Hello, I'm Pizza Chef.
Hi Ghassan. Chef Ghassan, you want to make your own pizza?
Yeah.
Yalla, let's see which recipe you want to follow.
Cheese.
Yes, okay, this is what? This is nachos.
Nuts.
Okay, yalla, put some nachos. How many nachos you have to put, ya Ghassan?
4.
4, yalla, go ahead. Excellent. What's next? 7 what?
7
Sausage, okay? You need to put 7 pieces of... Say yalla. Say.
I'm Pizza Chef. My name is Anne.
Yes, Anne. Hello, how are you?
Good.
Yes, what do you want to do for us?
I want to do a pizza.
You want to make a pizza? Which recipe you want to follow? Yes, this one, yalla, go ahead. What do you need for this recipe?
Tomato.
Tomatoes, yalla, put tomatoes. How many slices?
3.
3 slices of tomato, 3 slices. Okay, excellent. What do you think tomato begins with letter what?
Cheese.
Excellent, super. What is the next ingredient? Nachos. Do you think nachos begins with letter B? What is the initial sound? Nachos. What is the initial sound?
Nuts.
Yes, it's for letter what? N. Okay. 6 slices of what? 6 slices of what? Pepper. It's a green pepper. Okay. Pepper begins with letter what?
P.
P. Awesome. Yes, pizza chef? You are a pizza chef? Excellent, super. Chef Verwan, what do you want to put on your pizza? Yes, yalla, go ahead. This is what? Tomato. Tomato begins with letter what? T. Superhero. Go ahead, Chef Marwan. Come on. Awesome. Excellent. Tomato begins with letter what?
T.
Excellent, super. What about basil? Excellent, super, Yasidra. What about feta cheese? Feta.
Salt.
F, amazing, gorgeous, super. What's some mushroom? What do you think? Mushroom begins with letter what? M, excellent. What about sausage? What is the initial sound? S, excellent. What about basil? What is the initial sound? Yes, for letter B, excellent, super girl. Yes. 3 tomatoes. And 1 nachos. What do you think? Tomatoes begin with letter what? T. What about nachos? Nachos. What is the initial sound?
N.
Excellent. Go. For letter N. Excellent. Just 1 slice. 1 slice. One piece. Okay, leave it. So, Khaled, I want you to put 6 pepper. Green pepper. Do you think pepper begins with letter C? What is the initial letter? Yes, for letter P. Excellent, super. Two, 3, go. Yalla, put. Give it to me. So, what do you think? What is it? Tomato. You need 3 slices of tomato. Tomato begins with letter what?
T.
T. Excellent, super good.